The superstars are in the ring. The bell is rung, and all the rules are now out the way.
Could be big. Oh, man, into the neck breaker. Can she shut the door on this one?
Oh, she kicked out.
A competitor has been eliminated.
She wants it one more time.
That might be the final name. She's got to be out of it now. 2. Oh, what a kick out. How did she do that?
I can't believe it. The people can't believe it. I think the referee can't believe it.
Look at this superhuman. Oh, man, what a powerbomb. Looking for the victory. There's 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Clothesline. Oh, knee drop.
Kick to the gut. Lifted way up. Round and round and
She's enduring some damage.
see ya. Thanks for coming.
2. Kick out. She still has life.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
This is a very powerful
Launcher.
She did her homework there. Is it out?
This battle rages on. Powerful fallaway slam.
Oh, that backfired.
Mega driver.
There's electricity running through this arena right now.
Will it be the spark for one of these competitors?
Oh, a domination. Enziguri. Beautiful teamwork. And again.
Great way to wear down your opponent.
Once more, setting it up.
Control. Looks like we're looking for a neck. Oh, forearm to the neck. Oh, basement drop kick. Clearly waiting for that. Sequence of reversals here. Both superstars clearly studied game tape ahead of time. And Soko.
Set out mat slam. Oh no, now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
Just straining the body.
In trouble. Tap out. She's got a tap out.
Oh, serious pain. I don't think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb.
This way in the world, do you stop the count there?
I've got a feeling she's going to live to regret that.
Look at this superhuman power. Cyclone kick. A rolling thunder.
Rolling thunder stunner.
For the win. And a kick out right away.
Incredible resiliency. She avoids the contact. The throwback. Beautiful athleticism. DDT.
She might be.
This is a very powerful. Nobody hits that one better.
There's 2.
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal.
Confidence must be waning as she hits the opposition hard, but still can't get the fall.
I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle. The counter. And back into the ring she goes. Up in. Cover. 2 count. A kick out at 2.
Good Lord, scarily close to 3.
What do they have planned here? Kicks!
Blatant disrespect. Will it be? I think so.
A competitor has been
The
eliminated.
target's been acquired once more.
Knockout victory. This one is over.